Hello, this is my website demo. This is made for educational purpose like private tutorial uh, lesson. Before I presenting my website demo, I'm going to show you. This is the website demo link. You can check this website through this link, and you can check my other works, other projects and works through this portfolio website link. And if you have any query, then contact with me through WhatsApp. Okay, this is my private tutorial. This is my educational based on educational. This is the website based on education. Similar private tutorial lesson, something like that. So about us. Okay, I'm just showing you on the home page now. So this is the home page, event, then feature, course, okay, everything, and publication, okay, and testimonial, blog, okay. So we can see a course, okay. When you go to the course, you can it's like looks like that. A course have the duration, lecture, quiz, student, and curriculum. This is the curriculum, okay, and instructor review. So everything is dynamic, but this is the demo only. So if you have website like that or like something other design, then I can create a website for you from the scratch, from new design with new design, new purpose, no problem. I just show you. Uh, I have similar website. Okay, I have a similar website. So blog, you can check blog also, and okay. So there's many things. So hope you can check this website uh, through the through the link, demo link, and this is the link of my portfolio website link. Through this website, the cloudberry.com, you can check my other works, and if you have any query, just contact with me. Thank you so much.